All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses, Green Thumb Edition. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. out here again, painting the deck, and I have a beautiful surprise. After the third time trying to say that, my lovely, why, Miss Jones, she out here. What are we doing? We are about to paint this deck. The deck that was her desires, her wishes. God gave me the idea to bring it to pass with 4 pallets, and so now it's time to paint this bad boy. After the last video, I put the border around it, all around, and after that, now it's just the there's the border right there. You can't see it. Boom. So now it's just the paint, which also has a stain and also has the water resistant, water tolerant capabilities. And so yeah, man, that's the wrap. What I went for this is your Bears paint. This one right here, waterproof, all that good stuff, shebang. Found it at Home Depot. I think I paid a grand total of $38 for that, so wasn't bad at all. Then I went to the Dollar Tree to pick up the brushes and, you know, little things. You go to Dollar Tree, everything's $1, so you just end up picking up stuff. Anyway, here we are. So it's gonna be fun. Should be exciting. Looks like you're wearing your paint shirt. You already have spots on your shirt, which is pretty cool. Anything you want to say before we get into this?
No, not really.
No, just ready to get into it? Let's do it. All right, beautiful people, we have finished coat number 1, and yeah, this is the product. This is what it looks like, and it's pretty cool because you can see where the colored boards, the blue and the reds, they're popping through the paint color, and the plain ones, you can see they have a nice little hue and tint too. So it's pretty cool, which Chrystle says she loved it, which, you know, ultimately that's what really matters, because this is her desires, her wishes. She loved it. Why'd you love it? Why'd you say you love the color pops? Yeah.
It has character.
Character, yes. And her thing is the rustic chic type vibe. So this is giving all of those flavors. And, you know, it's going to be cool. It's going to be cool. Nice big space. Rain already said she wanted to sit on it, so she'll be able to do it, at least by tomorrow. Chrystle will be able to do it too. So it's all coming together. So excited about this. I'm so excited. So this is coat number 1, and in another hour we'll do coat number 2, and yeah, it'll be finito. I think I'm gonna paint this bench too. I touched it up, I tightened it up and all that good stuff, so probably paint this to match the colors and things of that, and I mean, we'll be good to go. It will really have a whole sitting area in the front, a front deck. Alright, so until next time, well, not next time, until an hour, we'll come back on an hour, let you see us do the second coat. Then we will let you see the finished product. and it'll be a done data. All right, ladies and gentlemen, round 2 of application is about to take place. As you can see, much did not change. I got my paint ready, paintbrush, all that good stuff. And yeah, about to lay down the second coat. Looks like it might rain today. Hopefully in 4 hours it does. It's a little windy. It's all good. Just gotta make things happen, you know? Chill. Front yard stain. Yeah. Little extra bench, just so we're all clear on what was said. All right, great people. Here is the finished product of our stained and painted deck. I believe it turned out quite well, if I do say so myself. I think we were a little overboard on the stain, you know. You get a little carried away. When the stain gets rolling, just get a little excited. But it's cool. It's here, it's done, it's completed. And, you know, I said I was going to do this bench. It turned out pretty cool, you know. It took very well to the stain, and it was pretty cool. It's rained a couple of days already, too. You can see, it's rained. You can see the water is just sitting on top. It's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. How it all turned out, I would say so myself. Alright, great people. Until the next project, we will see you. You know, there's so many other things that we do here at the Jones residence. So check out the pallet being built. And you can subscribe. You know, do that. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it all. See you. Peace.